Imagine this. You're sitting alone, scrolling through your phone, and your thoughts keep circling back to that one person. You wonder, are they thinking about me? Do I cross their mind? Could we ever be together? What if I told you that you could manifest their attention, their love, and their presence? Yes, it's true, and it's simpler than you imagine. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step through a powerful process that works like magic when applied with focus and belief. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to manifest a specific person, but also how to do it with speed and confidence. This isn't just theory, it's practical, actionable, and rooted in Neville Goddard's profound teachings. You'll walk away feeling empowered, knowing that the key to creating the connection you desire has been in your hands all along. Before that, I have a surprise for you. Are you ready to transform your life in just 30 days? For only $4.99, you can own our powerful ebook, filled with affirmations that will help you manifest your dreams and create the life you deserve. But if you're serious about taking your journey to the next level, we have something even better for you. For just $12.99, you'll not only get the ebook, but an exclusive bundle of tools designed to accelerate your personal growth, boost your manifestation power, and help you unlock your fullest potential. These incredible resources include everything you need to cultivate gratitude, self-love, mindfulness, and a powerful growth mindset, all perfectly designed to complement the affirmations in the book. The details of each product in the bundle are listed below in the description, but trust me, this is more than a deal. It's an investment in you. Why settle for just one tool when you can have the complete set? Imagine having all the guidance, prompts, and journals to keep you motivated every day of the year. Don't wait. Start your journey today and choose the best option. So back to the topic. Neville Goddard said, "Imagination is the only redemptive power in the universe." This means that your imagination isn't just a tool for daydreaming, it's the powerhouse that shapes your reality. Everything you desire, including the love and attention of a specific person, begins in your mind. Let's start by addressing a common misconception. Manifestation isn't about forcing someone to feel a certain way or trying to control their actions. Instead, it's about aligning your inner world, your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with the reality you want to experience. When you do this, the external world naturally mirrors your inner state. Here's how you can begin. First, take a moment to get clear about what you truly want. Is it a loving relationship with this person? Do you want them to reach out to you, express their feelings, or simply think about you more often? Whatever it is, clarity is essential. You can't manifest something if your desires are vague or conflicted. Now close your eyes and imagine a scene that represents the fulfillment of your desire. Picture this person with you, smiling, happy, and completely present. Maybe you're sharing a laugh over coffee, walking hand in hand, or having a deep conversation where they express how much they care about you. Make the scene vivid and real. Engage all your senses. What does their voice sound like? How does it feel to be in their presence? This is the key. Feel it as if it's happening now. Don't just visualize it. Step into the scene and embody the emotions of joy, love, and gratitude. Neville often emphasized, assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. The feeling is the secret ingredient. When you genuinely feel the reality of your desire, you send a powerful signal to your subconscious mind, which begins aligning circumstances to make it happen. You might be wondering, how does this actually work? Here's the fascinating part. Your subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined. When you repeatedly experience something in your mind with strong emotions, your subconscious starts to accept it as true. This shifts your energy, your thoughts, and even your actions, creating a ripple effect that draws your desire toward you. Let's take it one step further with Neville's principle of everyone is you pushed out. This means that the people in your life, including the specific person you're manifesting, are reflecting your inner beliefs and assumptions. If you believe deep down that they don't care about you, or that it's impossible to be with them, they'll unconsciously mirror that belief. On the other hand, if you assume they miss you, think about you, and desire to be with you, they'll begin reflecting those assumptions. Here's an exercise to solidify this understanding. For the next 7 days, practice affirming a new belief about this person. Replace any doubts with empowering statements like, "They can't stop thinking about me," or "They're drawn to me in the most loving way." Every time you catch yourself slipping into doubt, gently redirect your focus to these affirmations. One important reminder: patience is key. Sometimes we expect instant results and get discouraged if we don't see immediate changes. Remember, manifestation is about planting seeds in your subconscious. Just like seeds in a garden, they need time to grow. Trust the process and don't dig up the seeds with doubt or fear. Another technique to amplify your manifestation is scripting. Take out a journal and write as if your desire has already come true. Start with something like, "I'm so grateful that he reached out to me today. We had the most amazing conversation, and it felt so natural and joyful." Writing in this way not only reinforces your belief but also helps you connect emotionally with the reality you're creating. You might wonder, what if I don't feel confident or deserving? That's normal, but it's crucial to work on your self-concept. The way you see yourself directly affects what you manifest. Start affirming, "I am worthy of love and connection. I am magnetic and irresistible." As you build a positive self-image, you'll notice that your outer world begins to reflect that inner transformation. Here's a bonus tip to supercharge your manifestation: gratitude. Before you go to bed each night, take a moment to feel grateful as if your desire has already come true. Gratitude is a powerful energy that aligns you with abundance and speeds up the manifestation process. As Neville said, "A thankful heart is always close to the creative forces of the universe." As we wrap up, let's recap the steps. Step 1. Get clear on your desire. Step 2. Visualize and embody the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Step 3. Replace doubts with empowering affirmations. Step 4. Practice scripting to anchor your belief. Step 5. Build a strong self-concept and embrace gratitude. Manifestation is a journey, not a race. Trust that everything is unfolding perfectly, even if you can't see it right away. The universe is always working in your favor. Thank you for staying with me until the end. Your dedication to creating the life and love you desire is inspiring. Now, I want to hear from you. What is your specific manifestation goal? Drop it in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on Neville Goddard's teachings and the law of attraction. And remember, your imagination is the gateway to everything you desire. Use it wisely and watch the magic unfold. Now go out there and create the connection you've been dreaming of. It's already yours. Believe it, feel it, and let it come to you effortlessly.